Hi, and welcome to our series of video tutorials for the web console. Today, I'm going to show you how to customize your galleries and create a new gallery to go on your website. You can use your gallery for a range of different things, such as pictures of your products, before and after shots of your projects, or even photos from one of your events. Before we create a new gallery, let's look at the gallery settings, which will determine how our gallery looks and operates. To do this, I need to click on Gallery in the left navigation panel and then Default Settings. Let's have a close look at everything on this page. The web console has a default look and feel that is influenced by your website's template. However, you can get your gallery customized. If you do, you will be able to choose between the default template or your custom template here. We can choose which pop-up template this gallery will use before the viewer clicks on the image to see the full-sized version. The list page is the page that contains a list of your individual galleries. Again, if you've had your gallery customized, you can choose either the default template or the custom template here. Your gallery's images are laid out in rows and columns, so you can choose how many images will be in each row and how many rows to a page. The larger the numbers here, the smaller your image thumbnails will appear, so keep this in mind when setting these fields. At the bottom of each gallery, you can link to other galleries in your website by leaving this field set to yes, and then choosing the number of galleries you want this one to link to. You can choose whether or not to allow commenting on your gallery images. Facebook commenting can be a great viral marketing tool. When somebody makes a comment on this image, the comment will appear in their Facebook profile, as well as in their friends' feeds. You can moderate these comments too. Just click on Manage Facebook Settings and type your Facebook ID into this field. You can find your Facebook ID by going to your Facebook profile, not your feed, and find the number or name that appears in this portion of your Facebook profile's URL. You can add as many other administrators as you like here, but keep in mind that each of these people will have full control over the moderation of your blog commenting, so only choose members of your team who will be suitable for this responsibility. You can also choose how many comments will appear in this post, as well as the width and colour scheme of the comments box. The watermark feature allows you to upload an image such as your company logo that will sit over the top of your gallery images. A PNG file works best here as it can appear transparent. You can use the Upload a File button to choose the image, or just drag the image into the area. Then use this drop-down menu to choose the position of your watermark. Lastly, you can password protect your galleries. Choosing single password means that you can give this password to whomever you want and they will be able to view the gallery, even if they're not in your contact database. Alternatively, you can choose individual contacts password, which will restrict access to members of your contact database only. Or you can narrow it down even further and restrict access to just members of one subscription group. I'm done with my gallery settings, so I'll click Save Gallery Settings. And then click on Galleries. And then Add Gallery to create a new one. I'll give this gallery a name. Today, I'm going to upload a few photos of people riding bicycles, so I'll call this gallery Cycling. This name will appear at the top of my gallery page as a heading and in the page's URL. As for the description, this will appear just under the heading on the gallery page. You can format this text using different text styles, bold and italics, and lines. Again, we can choose which pop-up template this gallery will use before the viewer clicks on the image to see the full-sized version. Tagging your galleries gives your viewers hints as to the topics or themes in the gallery and allows them to search through your galleries based on these tags. I'll give mine a few. I can choose to keep this gallery offline, which means my website visitors won't be able to view it. Or I can have it online, which means they can. If I click on Show Advanced Options, I can customize this gallery even further. I already spoke about most of these features earlier in the video, so we'll skip over this. Check that Go Back to Manage Gallery Images is selected and then click Save Gallery. Now it's time to add images to the gallery, so I'll click on Add Images. I now need to either drag my image into the screen or click on Upload a File and find the images on my computer. I can add my images one at a time by selecting a single image and repeating the process for every image I want to upload. Or I can choose a zip folder containing all of the images I want to upload to my gallery and do them all at once. I'm done, so I'll click on Save Image. Now we can see the images that I've just uploaded to this gallery. I can change their order of appearance by dragging them into their new position and clicking Save Sort Order. Done! And here is what my new gallery looks like on my website. When you have created your new gallery, the next step is to add it to your website menu. So watch our video tutorial on modifying your website menu for more information on how to do this. And that brings us to the end of this video tutorial. Be sure to watch more of our videos so that you can get the most out of the web console. Thanks for watching.